A few things going on here. I'm gonna do a garden check. This garden just blew up. We haven't been in here for about a week. So we've got some Basic-H. We're gonna put that in the cows. That's how we naturally worm our cows. Normal day at Chores. What are these? Peas? Shelling peas.
They don't know what?
Oh yeah, those are yummy. This got really nasty last week and there was worms in there, so we ended up doing this about 5-6 days ago. So Basic-H, this is Shaklee's Basic-H. It's just a biodegradable soap. Good morning, I am Dustin Aleman. This is Aleman Family Homestead. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe. Keep bringing those comments, feedback, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Hey, we've been gone. We were out of town for 4 days. We were on a extended weekend. We did a long road trip. Our first very long road trip. We were in the car for 9 hours each way. That was a lot. And then we spent 3 nights in one hotel room. We've never done this before. Usually we separate and have our own rooms, and it was not the case this time. We went for a wedding. It was great. It was really really fun. Kids had an amazing time. We had an amazing weekend. Lots of close quarters, family time. We've really never done that before. It's good to be back. Everybody's in their own beds sleeping. So all good. So we had some farm sitters. Everything went well. We've got a few things going on here. I'm gonna do a garden check. This garden just blew up. We haven't been in here for about a week. When we got home last night, Natalie came in and there was a red cherry. So she brought that in for me. Oh, so good. Red cherry tomato. Love that stuff. Oh, today we're gonna do some Basic-H for these cows. So I've got Basic-H. So we've got some Basic-H. We're gonna put that in the cows. That's how we naturally worm our cows, deworm our cows. The meat pigs, our pink pigs, our 5 meat pigs. Something's going on with the fence. I came out this morning and they were all running around, and our farm sitters were saying, hey, the pigs, they keep nosing the fence and it's not shocking them. So I don't know what's going on. When they root, sometimes they root dirt up on the bottom of the fence and it can ground it out. So I went around and kicked all that off. But I think I need to charge these energizers. So I'm gonna bring one in. I actually brought another one over. I set 2 up just to see if that would help, but it didn't help. So I'm gonna bring one in. We'll get that charged. So we're gonna check on them. We're gonna do a quick check because we haven't been here for about 4 or 5 days. So we'll check all the animals. Normal day at Chores. Annabelle, we left the calf on Annabelle. Again, the beauty of calf sharing. So we just left her on. The last time we milked her was, let's see, 5 days ago. So I put her away this morning, or last night. I put the calf away last night so that we can get milk this morning. And this morning she was just bellowing at me again, like she did at the very beginning. So she's out of routine and she's very angry with me right now. But hey, I'm gonna check out this greenhouse. We'll go check this out, see what we got going on, and we'll bring you along. Look at this thing.
Look, Dad, we're eating. These.
What are you eating?
Critters.
Well,
come on.
Ooh, yummy. They're peas. Are they sweet?
Mm-hmm. You want one? They're so good.
So you can see our tomatoes. We're starting to get some tomatoes turn red. Like I mentioned yesterday, I had I had a cherry last night. It was very good. Starting to blow up in here. It's awesome. Kids are eating some, what are these? Peas? Shelling peas.
And then there's also these ones that are white. They don't know what?
Oh yeah, those are yummy.
Look.
Very yummy. Is it yummy? AZ?
Yeah. Here's some.
Hey guys, let's not pick a ton.
I know. Here's Henley. Want one?
Oh, those are yummy.
I haven't tried one. Yeah.
Those are those
These are green beans. And then these.
Green beans.
Mm-hmm. We like raw green beans.
Yummy.
Daddy, want try one?
I'm eating these shelling peas. I like those shelling peas. All right, so you can see our volunteer tomatoes are kind of out of control. It's all right, we'll come in. Probably come in this weekend and trim these up. Look at this. Yeah, these squashes are climbing up. Got squashes climbing the wall.
The pumpkins are growing.
Pumpkins are growing like crazy. Cool. Everything's looking good. Looking good in here. Need to come in and trim and weed, pick some suckers and that sort of thing. But
Suckers. I love suckers.
Everything's looking good in here. I don't remember if I talked about our turkey crazy either, so I'm gonna give you guys a turkey update here in a minute too. We had a lot of changes over lots of changes over the past couple of weeks with turkeys. Yeah, hi pigs. So these pigs, these are naughty pigs. They were all out this morning. This fence was down right here. You can see they keep nudging up on it. It's not shocking them. So something's going on here. I'm gonna have to come out and figure out. I have 2 of these. Oh, did one of them get shocked? Oh no, I came around here and kicked off all this. You can see how they throw all this earth. They throw all the earth on the fence, and I think that was grounding it out. So, I don't know, I need to come take a look. All right, so I don't know if you saw, but they are getting a little shock, but not as much as I'd like. So I have 2 of these set up, which is not, look, I grabbed another one and threw it on there this morning, just for a Band-Aid here, but I'm gonna have to bring in, I have a 60 and a 120. I think what I'll do is I'll leave the 120 on, bring the 60 in, charge it over the next 24 hours. Set it up and then do the same thing. I'll bring the 120s in and charge them. But all is well. Hey, look, when we go on vacation, all we can ask for is we just want to come back and we just want everything normal, and that's what we're doing. We're happy with the farm sitters. They did a great job. They kept us in the loop. They kept texting us and letting us know what's going on. So we got a lot of waters to clean out and just get back up to normal maintenance here since we've been gone. All right, so you can see the base fell over here. Turkeys starting to grow. They're starting to grow. Once you get them past that small stage, once they get here, they're pretty resilient. They do pretty good. It's just man, they are just rough to raise those first couple of months, but we were surprised how big they got over the last 5 days since we haven't seen them. So all is well. You can see these ducks too. These ducks are starting to grow some pretty feathers on the back side. They're starting to feather out. Everything's coming to life here. Here's our breeders. We got Chorizo and Biscuit doing great. Annabelle's back there. She's angry. She's angry at us. We took her baby again. She had her baby for the last 5 days, and then we locked her up last night. So yeah, not happy. Okay, so these pigs did a number. They've been here for 5 days. Look back on I think it was the last video when we moved them here. I mean, this area was, it was so long. It was about that long everywhere. They've done a number on it. So they're gonna be here for another couple of days. Then we'll move them on. But they are hot fence. So they're set up to this cow fence, which is hitting hard. So that thing hits hard, which is why they're not getting out. Hi, Annabelle. Yeah, she's not happy. She's not happy. She's had her baby the last 5 days, and then we took her away again. So go tie her up and then get Annabelle milked. We do have Basic-H, so I'm gonna throw some Basic-H in here. All right, so every 2 months we give them some Basic-H. We just put it in their water. We just cleaned this out less than a week ago. So usually this is our time where we dump this, we scrub it. This got really nasty last week and there was worms in there, so we ended up doing this about 5-6 days ago. So Basic-H, this is Shaklee's Basic-H. Again, it's I think it's a MLM, multi-level marketing, and it's just a biodegradable soap that Joel Salatin has used for years and years and years to naturally worm all of his cattle. It's all we've ever done. We've been raising cattle for 5 years, and this is all we've ever used for a wormer. So we just dump this in, and it gets sudsy. We have sudsy mouths, sudsy cow mouths for a couple of days. So there you go, easy peasy. I mean, it's very, very simple. We don't do any shots, we don't do any medicine. This is all we do. Every 2 months, dump a little Shaklee's Basic-H in there. Cows all come drink it, and we're dewormed. It's all good.
Hi, girls.
Oh yeah, that's a good sign. She's starting to drip. So she is dripping. One of our fears, we've talked about this multiple times, is yeah, we might be able to lock up her baby, but we have got 2 other calves out there. We just want to make sure they're not drinking off of her, and obviously they are not. They are drinking off of their own mamas. You can tell she's dripping. It's a good thing. Okay, so a couple of things I want to chat about. Obviously the Basic-H, we've talked about that. That's our natural wormer for the cows. The way we naturally deworm the hogs is diatomaceous earth. And then for all of our other livestock, I mean chickens, turkeys, ducks, we'll give them apple cider vinegar. We always give them apple cider vinegar, honey, and garlic their first couple of weeks of life. Just to boost their immune system. And then every now and again we'll just throw some apple cider vinegar in with them, in with their water. So that's how we naturally fight off against sickness, worms, things of that nature. It is very nice. We just were gone for 4 days. We had a long 4-day weekend. The beauty of the calf share is, yes, we had farm sitters, but we did not have them come milk Annabelle because we just kept the calf on. So the calf was on her, and she is fine. There's no... What's that?
Do the clean rag. She's wet over here.
There is no... I mean, her milk is nice and clean. It's not stringy, it's not clumpy. There's no indication of mastitis or anything like that. Which makes sense. I mean, we're letting the animals be animals, right? I mean, in nature, or when they're out just doing their thing, these calves are on them 24/7. And we, as humans, manipulate the situation. We lock her up at night so that we can get the milk in the morning. But what's nice about the calf share is when we're gone for a few days, we don't need to worry about milking her. We don't need to worry about bringing the calf up. We can just let them be. One less thing for the farm sitters to worry about. So all is well. All is well. She's got lots of milk for us. It's not stringy. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing.
What spiders eat, Dad?
What do spiders eat?
Are we all done?
Yeah, we're all done. Go. Okay, we are all done. We're gonna call it a day today. I forgot to give you guys an update on turkeys real quick. I'll go into it later, but we had a batch of turkeys that were supposed to come 2 weeks ago. They didn't come the week they were supposed to come. They ended up coming last week. which is the week we were leaving. We tried to call and cancel because we didn't know they were coming. They ended up shipping them anyhow, so unfortunately we put that on our farm sitters. We felt bad about that. So they had an extra chore to take care of some baby turkeys, but most of them survived. Only 5 died. They're in our laundry room. So because of that, the hatchery sent us another 40 they sent yesterday. So, oh my gosh. This year was a turkey disaster where we lost so many turkeys, and now we might have an abundance of turkeys. We'll keep you updated. We're gonna call it a day today. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead and hit subscribe. Give us some comments. Keep bringing comments, feedback. Give us a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.